Welcome back. This tutorial is about how to insert images and how to use a featured image. So, inserting images is pretty straightforward and easy. You want to have your cursor somewhere inside your editing box. And if you look up here, it says Upload, Insert. And this first one says Add Media, and this one is the media selector. Now, the first button, Add Media, allows you to either find images on your computer that you want to upload and show, or from somewhere else on another website, but be careful of copyrights, or from the media library, which is the images that are already on our website. And you can close that out right here. The yellow button is just a media selector of existing images. So all you get is the ones that are already uploaded, but this feature, when you display them as a tile, makes it easier to find an image. Now, most of the time, you may want to use this one because you're uploading your own images. So we're going to Add Media and select Files. Walks you through how to find the image on your computer. Let's do the media library because that's the images I have available here. And we have one here of Mr. Ben. We're going to Show. And there we get the image. Now, the input for all this is optional. Title, alternate text for blind people, a caption that would show under the image. That's all. You may or may not do this. You can decide to give the picture an alignment. If you give it a left alignment, that means text will wrap around the image, and a right alignment, the text will wrap around the image on the other side. Now you can determine the size of the image. The full size is fairly large. Let's say we'll go on full size here. Now you have a choice of inserting it into the post and use as featured image. So the featured image shows up alongside the excerpt on the classroom page, and the image inside the post. Inserting the image into post makes it show up inside the actual post. You can do both of these things. Now we're going to say use as featured image. There we go. And we're also going to insert it into the post. Now there we have Mr. Ben's image. And when we click on it, we can either delete it because we didn't like it after all, or edit it some more. You also have the option of resizing it by using the corners of the image. And maybe we like this better after all. Now, we haven't given it an alignment, I believe, so this doesn't look real good, having that text start here around the image. If we go back into editing mode here, we get this screen, and now we're going to say we want a left align of the image. So our text wraps around the image. We can also decide to resize the image again. Let's see if we're doing that. And when we have this text wrapping around the image, we don't want the text to butt up against the image. So we can go to the advanced settings and give it some horizontal, possibly vertical space, so that the text will not butt up against the image. We scroll down and we need to tell it to update. And there we go. Now our text goes around the image. So, image is here. We're going down to our publish update. Categories is still checked. Update. There we are. And we can go view post. And this is what it actually looks like on the web page. Now we can double check and see how it looks like, where it gets automatically posted to Mr. Ben's classroom page as an excerpt. There we go. And there it is. We've got our featured image set. Now this is optional, but it makes it kind of nice to have some images on your teacher page as well. So